All right, I was changing the head out on this this gas-powered string trimmer, weed eater, whatever you want to call it, and I had the head on there like that. I had it all apart, and I had this locked in. So the first thing you're going to want to check is you have a little hole in this bushing here. Getting stuck. Find it for you. Right there. So what you can do, you can stick a nail in that hole when it lines up with this, and then it'll lock this in, and then you can spin that head off. But if that's not working for you, what happened with mine is, so this is like this. Sorry about this, guys. I didn't have it all set up to do a video. This bushing is in this piece. It's sitting in there. You can see it there. It's there. And then this has these little teeth on it, and it presses in there, and it matches up with teeth in there. Through just using it and things getting jammed in there, these teeth had stripped out of this head on the inside of the old one. So when I was spinning this head, the threads weren't unthreading. It's a reverse thread. That's another thing you're going to want to check. So you're gonna spin it like you're actually tightening it down, and that will loosen it up, and that's so it doesn't come off while you're using it. But it was just free spinning in there. What I had to do, I took some pipe cutters. These are the tools I just had on hand, but I chopped all this plastic up enough that I could peel it off this the bushing on the inside. So this was on here like this, and I got the string, all the plastic off it, and then I was able to get it on it with a wrench and only spin this part off. So if you're having trouble and the head isn't coming off of your string trimmer and you're trying to change it out, you might end up having to cut the plastic off of this bushing and get it off of there. It gets seized up. So wasn't too bad. Give it a try. Be sure to like the video if you've done this, or it saved you some trouble or figured out what you had going on. Definitely let me know down in the comments, or if you know an easier way to get these off if they get seized up, let me know down in the comments, and we'll talk to you soon.